Kate here with WTI, and this classy but modern lamp here is from UYKKE. It is so beautiful. I love the size. It's about 11 inches tall, so it's a pretty substantial size, but it fits really nicely on my small end table here. It has a hard exterior that feels like plastic. It's formed in a gorgeous shape. Lots of texture, nice curves. It's very interesting. It sits on a wooden base, so it feels like a high quality lamp. It has a USB cord and it is fully adjustable. So that is what I love the most. It has 3 different color settings, so white, neutral, and a warm tone. My personal preference is the neutral one. It has a nice glowy but natural feel to it. This lamp is also dimmable. This makes it really nice to have on your end table beside your bed if you just want a little bit of mood lighting or something to read a book. It goes with all kinds of styles and decor. You can use this all over your house. It has a built-in LED light, so you don't have to worry about light bulbs, and it's really simple to use. So I love it. I think you will too. I get lots of compliments on it, and that's my point of view.